Hello, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Will Smith, your trusted urologist and men's health advocate. Picture this: Tom, a 65-year-old retired firefighter, strong as an ox in his prime, now struggling to get out of bed without wincing. He's been ignoring a nagging issue down there. His penis isn't working like it used to. He's scared, embarrassed, and worst of all, he's keeping it a secret. Sound familiar? If you're over 60, this video could be a game changer for your health. I'm going to share 10 surprising mistakes you're making with your penis and how to fix them. These are practical, science-backed tips you can start today to avoid hospital visits, boost your confidence, and feel like a man again. Type 1 in the comments if you're ready to take control of your health. And hit that subscribe button to join our quality senior living community. Let's do this together. Let's dive into mistake number 1. Neglecting small symptoms. Tom thought his occasional trouble with erections was just old age. He ignored it for years, brushing off the weak stream when he urinated, the slight discomfort after long sits. Big mistake. Your penis is like a health dashboard for your body. A 2019 study from Harvard showed that men over 60 with erectile issues are 20% more likely to face heart disease within 5 years. Why? Because blood flow to your penis mirrors blood flow to your heart. If something's off down there, it's a warning sign. So, what can you do? Check your symptoms weekly. Look for changes in urination, erection strength, or even slight pain. Write them down in a notebook. It takes 30 seconds, and it could save your life. Tom started doing this, and it led him to his doctor, who caught a minor issue before it became major. Don't wait for a crisis. Comment 2 if you're committing to check your symptoms this week. Mistake number 2. Eating foods that clog your pipes. Gentlemen, what you eat directly affects your penis. Tom loved his nightly burgers and fries, washed down with soda. But processed foods, high in trans fats, can clog arteries, reducing blood flow where you need it most. A 2021 study in the Journal of Men's Health found that men over 60 who ate diets high in processed foods had a 30% higher risk of erectile dysfunction. The fix? Swap out the junk for penis-friendly foods. Start with berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. They're packed with antioxidants that improve blood vessel health. Aim for a half cup daily, fresh or frozen, tossed in oatmeal or asmoothie. Tom now blends a berry smoothie every morning, and he's noticed stronger erections in just 3 weeks. It's simple, better food, better flow. Comment 3 if you're ready to try a berry smoothie this week. Mistake number 3. Sitting too long. Tom spent hours in his recliner, watching sports, unaware it was harming his manhood. Prolonged sitting puts pressure on your pelvic area, reducing blood flow and weakening pelvic muscles. A 2020 study from the University of California found that men over 60 who sit more than 5 hours daily have a 25% higher chance of prostate issues. The solution? Get moving with a simple pelvic floor exercise. Try the Kegel. Tighten the muscles you'd use to stop urinating. Hold for 5 seconds, release. Do 3 sets of 10 reps daily while watching TV, driving, or even at the dinner table. No one will know, but your penis will thank you. Tom started Kegels and felt a difference in his urinary control within a month. Don't let your recliner rob your vitality. Comment 4 if you'll try Kegels today. Mistake number 4. Skipping water. Dehydration isn't just about feeling thirsty, it's a silent killer for penile health. Tom used to chug coffee all day, barely touching water. Bad move. Dehydration thickens your blood, making it harder for your body to pump it to your penis. 2022 study in the Journal of Urology showed that men over 60 who drank less than 8 cups of water daily had a 15% higher risk of urinary tract issues. The fix is simple. Drink water consistently. Aim for 8 8-ounce glasses daily. Carry a reusable bottle. Sip every hour and add a slice of lemon if plain water bores you. Tom now keeps a water bottle by his chair, and his energy and erections have improved. Hydration is power. Comment 5 if you'll commit to 8 glasses of water today. Let's pause for a second. Are you with me? Tom was skeptical at first, too. He thought, I'm too old to change. But small steps like checking symptoms, eating berries, doing Kegels, Drinking water started turning his life around. He felt stronger, more confident, and less afraid of what his body was telling him. If Tom can do it, so can you. Hit that like button if you're inspired, and let's keep going. Mistake number 5, ignoring your gut. Your gut health impacts more than your stomach. It affects your penis. Tom had frequent bloating and indigestion from years of heavy meals. Poor gut health can disrupt hormone balance, lowering testosterone, which is critical for sexual function. A 2023 study from Stanford linked gut inflammation to a 20% drop in testosterone in men over 60. The solution: add fermented foods to your diet. Try a tablespoon of sauerkraut or a small cup of plain yogurt daily. These are rich in probiotics, which balance gut bacteria and support hormone production. Tom started eating yogurt with his berries, and his energy spiked within weeks. Your gut is your second brain. Treat it right. Comment 6 if you'll try a probiotic food this week. Mistake number 6, neglecting sleep. Tom used to stay up late watching TV, getting maybe 5 hours of sleep. Big mistake. Poor sleep tanks your testosterone and stresses your blood vessels. A 2021 study in the Journal of Men's Health found that men over 60 who sleep less than 6 hours a night have a 40% higher risk of erectile dysfunction. The fix: aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Set a bedtime routine. No screens an hour before bed. Keep your room cool and dark, and try a 5-minute deep breathing exercise to relax. Tom now sleeps like a rock and wakes up refreshed, with better sexual stamina. Sleep is your secret weapon. Comment 7 if you'll prioritize sleep tonight. Mistake number 7, avoiding exercise. Tom thought his firefighting days meant he didn't need to exercise anymore. Wrong. Inactivity weakens your heart, muscles, and yes, your penis. A 2020 study from the American Heart Association showed that men over 60 who exercise 150 minutes weekly have a 35% lower risk of erectile issues. You don't need a gym. Start with a 20-minute walk daily, brisk enough to raise your heart rate. Add 2 sets of bodyweight squats, 10 reps each, to strengthen your lower body. Tom started walking his neighborhood and added squats, and his confidence soared. Movement is medicine. Comment 8 if you'll take a walk today. Mistake number 8, bottling up stress. Tom carried the weight of the world, worrying about his health, finances, even his grandkids. Chronic stress spikes cortisol, which crashes testosterone and blood flow. A 2022 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that men over 60 with high stress levels had a 30% higher chance of sexual dysfunction. The fix: practice a 5-minute mindfulness exercise daily. Sit quietly, focus on your breath, and let thoughts pass without judgment. Tom tried this and found it calmed his nerves, improving his intimacy with his wife. Your mind controls your body. Give it a break. Comment 9 if you'll try mindfulness this week. Mistake number 9, skipping checkups. Tom hadn't seen a doctor in years, thinking, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Terrible idea. Regular checkups catch issues early, like prostate problems or low testosterone, before they wreck your health. A 2023 study from the Mayo Clinic showed that men over 60 who get annual checkups live 10% longer on average. Schedule a visit with your doctor at least once a year. Ask about PSA tests, testosterone levels, and blood pressure. Tom's checkup caught low testosterone, and a simple treatment changed his life. Don't gamble with your health. Comment 10 if you'll book a checkup this month. Mistake number 10, giving up on intimacy. This one's the kicker. Tom stopped trying to be intimate with his wife, thinking his best days were behind him. He was wrong. Intimacy, whether physical or emotional, keeps your hormones firing and your confidence high. A 2021 study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men over 60 who maintain regular intimacy have a 25% lower risk of depression and better overall health. The fix: talk to your partner openly. Try small gestures, holding hands, cuddling, or even a date night. If physical intimacy is tough, explore lubricants or talk to your doctor about safe options. Tom and his wife started date nights, and their spark came back stronger than ever. Intimacy isn't over, it's just beginning. Comment 11 if you'll prioritize connection with your partner this week. Let's wrap this up with Tom's story a year ago. Tom was scared, tired, and avoiding his health. He ignored symptoms, ate poorly, sat too long, and gave up on intimacy. But he took action one small step at a time. He started checking his symptoms, eating berries, doing Kegels, drinking water, and prioritizing sleep. He walked daily, managed stress, got checkups, and rekindled his marriage. Today, at 66, Tom feels like a new man, stronger, happier, and in control. But here's the shocker. If Tom had kept ignoring his health, he could have faced a heart attack, prostate surgery, or worse. Gentlemen, your penis is your body's alarm system. Don't ignore it. Start today with these steps. 1. Check your symptoms weekly. 2. Eat a half cup of berries daily. 3. Do Kegels 3 times a day. 4. Drink 8 glasses of water. 5. Add yogurt or sauerkraut to your diet. 6. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. 7. Walk 20 minutes daily and do squats. 8. Practice 5 minutes of mindfulness. 9. Book an annual checkup. 10. Prioritize intimacy with your partner. If you keep making these mistakes, you're risking hospital stays, lost confidence, and a shorter life. But if you act now, you'll feel stronger, live longer, and enjoy life like Tom. I'm Dr. Will Smith, and I believe in you. Hit that subscribe button to join Quality Senior Living for more life-changing tips. Comment A if you loved this video, B if you didn't, and share one thing you learned today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep thriving.